Okay guys, so if you face such your account storage is full, you might not be able to send or receive an email. To continue using Gmail, clean up space or get more storage. How to fix this error? So, well, first of all, you can clean your inbox if you have any big files there stored in attachment, for example. Yes. The next step, what you can do is, for example, in my case, I use iPhone and it's sends of my photos and videos from mobile phone to Google storage. So Google Photos, yeah. So you can visit your Google Photos, check, for example, large photos and videos, yeah. You can see that big size here, yeah. And you can click check and delete everything what is non-required, yeah. So for example, select, move to trash, move to trash, and after that go to trash and click empty trash, empty everything here, and you will free some space like this. So I recommend to check Google Photos, and this will might help you to make your storage a little bit bigger, free. Yeah. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment under this video if this video was helpful. Have a good day. Bye.